Eli, great chase. Hey buddy, we gotta let it go. We gotta let it be free. Roomba, you'll learn to stop. That's what you get. Are you gonna go get that Roomba? Go get it. Oh, lovely. Nope, you found my shoe. No, eating the shoe, yucky. Sometimes the Roomba comes, right to him. Now it's gonna be stuck in there forever. Oh, yay, you love the Roomba. Yay, kisses. Oh, you love the Roomba. Yeah. Love it. Nope, nope, not my shoe. Haha. Not this either. Give that to Mama. Thank you. Sure, yes. Go play with the wires. That's fine. You're not interested in the Roomba? It's free. Free. Eli, what's the Roomba doing? Oh. Are you gonna take it with you? Oh. We have a busy boy on our hands. A busy boy. Huh? You're just so busy. You could eat Mama's shoe and chase the Roomba. Stand up. Chase the Roomba some more. Oh. Eli, what are you doing? Alrighty.